First mate, what our position?
We're approximately 50 nautical miles southeast of the shipping lane. The flooding is severe, Captain. I don't think we have much time.
We're going down fast. We need to get the life raft ready.
Everyone listen. We're sending a mayday. First mate, hit on the radio now. Chief engineer, crew member 1, help crew member 2. Deploy the life raft. We need to get emergency gear ready.
Mayday, 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 this is fishing vessel Blue Horizon. Mayday, we are taking on water and sinking rapidly. Our position is 14 degree 35 north and 120 52 east. We struck an underwater object and have a severe hull breach. We require immediate assistance. Mayday, Blue Horizon, over. I repeat, Mayday, 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 this is fishing vessel Blue Horizon. We are taking on water and sinking rapidly. Repeat, Mayday.
Chief engineer, crew member 1, how's the life raft?
We've got 8 deployed. Captain, crew member 2 and they need me emergency supplies.
The water is rising fast. We need to abandon the ship. I've got a response. Coast Guard is acknowledging our mayday. They are sending a rescue vessel and aircraft. They are asking for the number of people on board.
5. We have 5 crew members. First mate, give me the information until the ship is going down fast.
Okay, we have 5 crew members. The vessel is sinking rapidly. We need immediate evacuation.
Everyone, prepare to abandon the ship. Stay calm and follow my instruction. We will get through this.
Thank you, Franz and Captain.